mystery in Hell's Kitchen, a bell ringing and nobody knows where it's coming from. And it's been doing that for some time. Nearby businesses around the 50th Street 1 train station are not too happy about it, and here's why. It kind of just sounds like construction, like
Still
constantly.
annoying, though.
Yeah, so the bell sounds like a school fire bell to some, but it's not visible anywhere in the immediate area. MTA acknowledges that, yeah, there's a bell there that's ringing. Thanks, guys. And say that it's coming from a vacant storefront nearby.
All right, now